Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and savings challenges. So today we are going to go over my income for the week. I am a server. I make $2.13 an hour, and this is everything that I bring home after tip out. After we count everything up, we will then go ahead and set up our budget for the week. If that's something you're interested in, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for this video. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, y'all, so you know the drill. First things up, we are gonna count up my tips for the week. I will make a note at the beginning of this video. Y'all, it's been a week for me. I have some family stuff going on, so while I did work 5 days this week, I did not work any doubles. I did not pick up any shifts. So it's not going to be quite as much as I was hoping for, but as always, we will make it work. So let's just go ahead and count up everything that we did bring home. I did work Wednesday morning and I made 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93. So $93 for Wednesday morning. I food ran on Thursday, so I was the person that took out all the food. I get tipped out by the servers when I do this. And let's see what I made. I made 50, 70, 90, 91, 92, 93. So $93 for food running on Thursday night. Friday, I did just work in the morning time, and I made 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So $123 Friday morning. And then I did work Saturday evening. I don't know what was going on this week, y'all. I don't know if it's because spring break is coming up next week, but it was kind of slow. I did make 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So $133 on Saturday night, and then Sunday morning, I just worked the morning this week. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that 109. And that is it. That was what I made each day. Now let's go ahead and count up the total for the week. So we're gonna put that 50 to the side for a minute. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80. So that is 380. 380 plus 50 is gonna be 430. 440, 450. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 500, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we are at 520, 521, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So for the week, we have 551 to work with. Let's go ahead and open up our bullet journal. So we said we have 551. Let me go ahead and pull this out for y'all. All right, and then that way I can zoom in on this for us. So we have 551 to work with. So let's go ahead and go over the things that will not change. So I will always get $25. My husband will always get $25. We are putting about $10 a week into our buffer. Subscriptions is getting $12 right now. The gym is getting $10. Debt is getting $25. And taxes. So taxes, let me grab my little calculator over here. Taxes will always get 5% of my income, and that is $551 for this week. So we are going to be putting $27 into taxes this week. Now let's add this all up. So
we've got 25, 25, 10, 12, 10, 25, and 27.
For a total of $134 this week is going into our bills binder. And then we're going to move over to our cash envelopes. Groceries always gets, we've upped this recently to $200. Gas we are keeping at $50. Pet care is getting $25. We are doing $100 for dining right now. Fun is getting $20, and miscellaneous is getting $5. So if you didn't watch some of my last videos, I did go over that we are going to be upping groceries to $200, and we are doing set amounts now for our bill binder and our cash envelopes. So it is going to be a little bit higher than normal. We are no longer doing the percentages, and we are just doing this so that we can not stress as much with our budget, and everything over here hopefully will have some rollover from the previous month, and those will be going into the sinking funds and savings challenges. So we've got everything set over here. So that is a total of $534. So we've got our income of $551 minus the $534 that is coming out of the two of those. That means that we have $17 left for our, ooh, I do not like the way that that looks. Hold on, guys. So we have 17 left in our normal, in our income, okay? Now let's go ahead and see what rollover we have. So rollover is coming from our cash envelopes. All right, so for grocery rollover, we have $22. Gas. Now gas, I'm going to leave a 20 in because my husband needs to fill up this week, and his is going to take a little bit more than the 50. But what we're rolling over from gas is 20, 30, 35, 36. Pet care. Pet care, we're going to take the whole 15 out of pet care. Dining had 31 left over. Fun had 20 still in there. We're going to take that out, and I'm going to leave the 5 in miscellaneous. So let's see what total we have for rollover. All right, so for rollover, we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 124 in rollover. And we will be stuffing our credit card points money this week. I'm gonna save that for our sinking funds and savings challenge to let y'all know what that total is. But so now we have 124 from rollover that will be going into our sinking funds and savings challenges. So I'm gonna put that there. Also, so let's see, what did we have? So now we can write 0 for here. We left 20 in gas, nothing in pet care, nothing in dining, nothing in fun, and we left the $5 in miscellaneous. So that is set. The only other thing that I'm gonna go over for this is my $1 savings challenge. So if y'all don't know, I do save every dollar bill that I get in tips that has the letter A on it. So we are just checking here real quick to see if any of them have the letter A. Do we not? Oh, there's one. All right. So we have one that has the letter A. I'm going to put that on top for myself here. And I will also make a note of that down here, that I have $1 that's an A. And that'll just be for when I go over my savings challenges and my sinking funds. So it looks like we're gonna have $141 to go into our sinking funds and savings challenges this week, plus whatever we have for our credit card points that's coming in. But that's it. That's going to be my basic kind of budget setup for this week. Y'all want me to go a little bit more in depth next time, please leave a comment down below. But that's going to be it for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for Wednesday. We'll be stuffing our bill binder and our cash envelope binder. And then Friday, we will be doing our sinking funds and savings challenges. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye.